just want to talk to you a minute about the amazing T3 brushes. This is the T3 Round. This is the T3 Round 2.0 I just ordered, and where has this been all my life? I love it. It is terrific for short to medium length hair, and I found that it is so nice and easy to grip because of this great texture here, and I can move it along fast while I'm doing my hair dryer. Looking at the fine details of this brush, it's really nice. This gripper is very nice. Without being solid, it gives you a little room to move your fingers as you're running it through your hair, styling it. It's easy to hold while you're holding a dryer in the other hand. It has this great hole for hanging. I love the fact that it's got this pretty rose gold finish to it that helps hold the heat conduction, as well as cool grippers for your hands. And it's just really pretty as well. T3 logo on there. But this short to medium brush is part of the customization options that you have. There's a 2.5 brush, a 3.0 brush, a smooth paddle, and a drying brush. I really highly recommend it, and I love the way it zips through my hair without pulling it, but it's firm enough to hold and catch a style. It works well with my thermal sprays, and it works really nice with my terrific T3 Aire multi-styler. I used it with this the other day and have great results. I love it with my T3 Aire styler, whether I'm using my right hand or my left. I can whip through very easily, and it makes the curls for me without having to apply additional heat. I really like the T3 2.0 styling brush.